너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교
My sister saw a leech on my arm. There was one leech again.
하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아
Bye bye.
걱정되고
Hi everyone. So today is the last day of our Darjeeling trip. And we are going to Lepcha Jagat today, and I am going to show you what are the things that we have experienced in Lepcha Jagat, and also we are visiting Nepal and Mirik. So let's enjoy the last trip of this entire series, and I hope you will enjoy watching this vlog as well. So yeah, keep on watching.
Green Valley. ग्रीन वैली क्या हो?
This is our homestay. So this is the view from our homestay. This one is so good. So now that we have reached our homestay, and the name of the homestay is Green Valley, and now I am going to show you the rooms and the bathrooms as well. So we are going to have lunch now, and this is the lunch area. Here we have a balcony. Say hi to my vlog.
Local squash.
भाजी डालो सलाद ले लो तो सलाद है पापड़ सलाद नहीं भाजी
Baygon पाई गसे मालिक
हाँ क्या
सब दे दीजिए
तुम्हारा आटा भी नहीं होगा यार
So this is our lunch. We have some sabji and egg curry, and then papad, chilies, and salad.
हाँ दाल है
And Ambrose is serving.
इतना भूख लगा है ना वेट नहीं कर पा रहा है
So we have finished our lunch, and the lunch was really amazing. And on the balcony they have this strawberry plant as well, as you can see. And the breakfast, lunch and dinner is included in the homestay. Like we have to pay 1,000 per night, and the breakfast, lunch and dinner is included. So now we are exploring some more places in our homestay, because our homestay has the most beautiful balcony and the view is amazing. So we are exploring everything, so keep watching the video. And yeah, that is it. As we are going to stay in Lepcha Jagat today, so we thought of going for some walk, and we are going to the pine forest. And it was raining and the weather is so cold in Lepcha Jagat. So if you visit Lepcha Jagat, then you should carry sweater and one umbrella for sure.
यहाँ पे स्नो लेपर्ड निकलता है ब्लैक पेंथर निकलता है वाइट बोर भी निकलता है जी हम लोग के साथ चले जाएंगे
Hi guys, so I am here in Lepcha Jagat, and we reached here like at around 4, and we had our lunch. This is a very nice place. We are staying in a homestay, and it's so cloudy, so terrifying as well, but still we are having our best time here because it's so cold. And it has like pine huge pine trees as well, and the clouds are coming on. As you can see, it is raining also. It's like very good place to visit, and I really like the environment. this is not too crowdy. Like Darjeeling was crowdy a little bit, but this is not that crowdy at all. This is like a peaceful location where you can stay. And yeah, this is the Lepcha Jagat. I was very excited to visit there, and it's very cold here, so bring warm clothes. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to show you the overall environment of this place now. So as you can see, the clouds keeps on coming, and this is like a very big pine forest, and it's full of clouds, and it's raining, and we are all here, we're shooting, and a dog is barking, so ignore the voice if you are hearing loudly. And yeah, we are having our best time here. So, and also we cannot go upstairs, I think so, because it's going to be a little risky and some animals may attack us. So yeah, that's it. Now we are going, and we are not going to explore more, I guess. I don't know even. He is barking continuously, and I'm so scared. I thought some animals are there in this jungle, I guess. So I don't want to take risks, but yeah, let's go and explore if we found something. And it's like raining so heavily, so heavily. Like it's very risky also. I am going to off the camera, and I'll let you guys know everything later on, because it's very difficult for me to keep the umbrella and also the phone alongside. Okay, bye guys. So as we are visiting Lepcha Jagat in the rainy season, so there is so much of clouds and we cannot see anything, but the view from this side is amazing. I'm going to put some pictures so that you can know that how it feels like in the winter season. And from this viewpoint we can see Kanchenjunga as well, so this is like a peak point, but because of the fog and the rain we couldn't see anything. But yeah, that was a really nice experience in the rainy season. We really loved the weather here, and now we are going back to our homestay. So it is raining currently, and I cannot vlog, guys. I am trying to vlog all of these things for you guys, and so you have to subscribe to my channel for such efforts, for my efforts that I'm putting into making this video in this rainy season. Yeah, photo like.
हाँ यही देखो तो निकला अभी 2-3.
You are checking that. So I have a story to tell you guys. So hi everyone, this is a quick story time. So I am in Guwahati right now, and I was editing the video, so I thought of sharing the incident with you guys. Now we went to the Lepcha Jagat, as you already saw that we went to the pine forest and we are exploring the things. And it was raining, it was heavily raining, and suddenly what happened is that while we are coming back to the homestay, we are back from the pine forest and we are on the middle of the road. And the pine forest is next to our homestay, so like we are supposed to go to the market first to have some thukpa, but on the road my sister is coming to me asking that can we go to the market, or we will rest or we will go to the market. My sister saw a leech on my arm. While she was explaining to me the things, and she suddenly saw a leech on my arms. We all are wearing sweaters, so I didn't feel anything, and I don't know from where or how he keeps on coming to my body, and he reached to the point of my arms. When she pointed out that there was a leech on my arm, and I was like, I saw that side of my arm, and I was like I was shouting because I don't have that kind of experience in my life, and I really scared of leeches. And I was like shouting, and Ambrose was trying to remove the leeches, but he was not going. Ambrose was keep on trying and trying and trying. Then for the first time when I saw the leech, I was like, I took my hands and then I was shouting, but I kept on removing the leeches like this only. Ambrose took a stick from the road and he was like removing the leech, and he was keep on trying, and then the leech took off from my arm, and I was like so relaxed. When we thought ki we will go to our homestay and we will clean, when we are walking, I saw the shoe of Ambrose and there was one leech again, like seriously one leech again, and then he couldn't remove. And then I saw a disposal of a cup that was on the road, and then I took the cup and then I was like removing the leech from his shoe. Everyone thought ki there may be a leech in everyone's clothing, so that's the main concern. So जल्दी हम लोग होमस्टे में गए, एंड देन हमने बोला कि लीचेस लग गए हैं हम लोगों के बॉडी में. सो द भैया एंड एवरीवन इज so helpful. They bring salt. We remove all our clothings because we don't have that much of clothing. I was wearing two clothes, like one full sleeve top and then one sweater, one pant and then one jeans. Then I noticed that there was two leeches on my feet. The leeches was not on my skin but on my pants. So because I was wearing two pants, so skin पे वो लग नहीं पाया, सो पेंस में ही वो चिपक गया. एंड देन द केयरटेकर ऑफ द होम स्टे ही रिमूव द लीचेस एंड ही पुट ऑन सम सॉल्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड देन व्हाइल माय सिस्टर वाज चेकिंग अप हर क्लोथिंग, शी डिडंट फाइंड एनीथिंग. बट व्हाट हैपेंड इज दैट नोइम को एक लीचेस ने काट लिया, सो ही वाज लाइक ब्लीडिंग. द लीचेस साइज बिकम लाइक सो बिग एंड आई वाज सो स्केयर्ड. ही बर्न सम clothings and then the burned clothings he put on his side जहाँ पे leeches ने उसको काटा था. So that's so terrifying, and everyone is keep on checking and everyone is like having that fear inside कि लग गया होगा शायद ऐसे करके. So हम लोगों ने सब कपड़ा वगैरह बाहर ही रख दिया, and then shoes वगैरह सब कुछ खोल के बाहर रख दिया, and we are checking our body and everything. So it was like really terrifying. And then जो केयरटेकर था उन्होंने बताया कि because of the rain हम लोगों को लीचेस ज़्यादा लग गया. अगर आप रेनी सीजन में जंगल में एंटर करोगे तो आपको लीचेस लग सकता है, एंड वहाँ पे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स है तो लीचेस बहुत सारा है. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु इज विजिटिंग लेप्चा जगत एंड ग्रीन वैली के साथ जो भी पाइन फॉरेस्ट है, आई विल सजेस्ट यू नॉट टू गो दैट पाइन फॉरेस्ट ऑन द रेनी सीजन. इंस्टेड आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप थोड़ा आगे जाके वहाँ पे आपको पाइन फॉरेस्ट मिलेगा, लेकिन वहाँ पे ग्रास वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा, तो यू कैन इजीली गो देयर. वहाँ पे आपको लीचेस वगैरह का कोई खतरा नहीं है. एंड बट जो ग्रीन ग्रास है आपको वहाँ पे नहीं चलना है. सो एम्ब्रोस, नोइम और मैं हम तीनों को लीचेस लग गया, बाकी मेंबर्स को नहीं लगा. सो या दैट्स इट, दैट्स द थिंग. एंड या दैट सिचुएशन वाज सो टेरिफाइंग कि हम लोग इवनिंग कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे थे. हम लोग सिर्फ बेड पर सो के हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे, एंड हम लोगों ने कुछ भी नहीं किया. एंड देन आई विल नाउ सी व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू ऑन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. सो दिस वाज द क्विक इंसिडेंट. सो या दैट्स इट. Later in the evening, they provide us chai and pakora, and this is so good. Hi guys, I'm not feeling good.
Let's discuss about the money. Okay. अभी देखो मैं बोल रहा हूँ एक साइड से.
Hi everyone, so we came here to have our dinner and it's 9:30, almost 9:30, and it's so cold outside. As you can see, all the fog is coming and it's totally dark and there is no one. Dili ba? Di dilo de.
The one chili. You say na.
Hi guys, this is the last day in this trip and I'm feeling little under the weather. And now we are going to have our breakfast. It's already 8. It's already 8, and now we are going to have our breakfast, and then we'll decide what we'll do. So stay tuned in this video and ignore my face. So I'm like feeling cold and gastric also. So yeah, now we are going to take medicine and we are going to have chai, and I will meet you guys in a minute. Bye. And the chai here in Darjeeling is so good. They provide us this tea first, then we'll have our breakfast. This is the morning view. So this is our homestay, and that is the pine forest. We went yesterday, and this is the overall view.
Yes, भाई बोलो.
Hello.
आप लोग का ब्रेकफास्ट.
Hey, breakfast time. फेलिशिया का रूम को भी दिखा देती हूँ. Breakfast time, guys.
उसके बाद घर जाना है,
Breakfast time.
नेपाल जाना है, उसके बाद भारत जाना है.
Now we are going to have our breakfast, and this is the place where we are going to have this. This is the view from our breakfast hall. Hi guys, we are ready. Now we have to leave this beautiful homestay, and we have packed everything up, and this is our room. Apa nasa? Lagi sebelah kan Aisyah? Bye bye Lepcha Jagat.
प्रॉब्लम वही है, हार्मफुल तो नहीं है लेकिन हम लोग डरते हैं ना. खाली बात ये पेंटो पर वो ऊपर बस.
Bye bye.
यहाँ पे फोटो खींचेगा.
Bye bye Lepcha Jagat. We are leaving today. And আমি কত গেছে?
আমি যাব নেপাল পশুপতিনগর মার্কেট, and then Mirik, and then New Jalpaiguri.
Okay.
चेंज कर लेना बीच बीच में, तो आगे का डीजे.
Just now driver wale bhaiya realized that he has to fix his tire, and now we are going to wait for some time, then we will go to our destination. So we just walking and then realized there is very nice place, although we haven't visited this place, and like so good.
Let's go on a walk.
Bye bye.
नहीं हम लोग हम से बोल देगा.
They took care of us so well.
এইটোহে আছো পাইন ফৰেষ্ট লাগিছে আমি যোৱাখিনি
We have to take tickets here. It was clear when we visited this place, but now it's like completely foggy, and I love this. So यहाँ से नेपाल बॉर्डर स्टार्ट हो गया है एस भैया से, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मिरिक.
ये व्यू पॉइंट है ना? हाँ व्यू पॉइंट. यहाँ से भी वही नेपाल बॉर्डर है, यहाँ से भी वही नेपाल का व्यू मिलेगा, लेकिन अभी तो हो गया ना. इंडिया को तो देना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं तो उन लोग का खाना पीना बंद हो जाएगा. इंडिया को नहीं दिया तो वो पशु को नेपाल का लोग तो पूरा मर जाएगा. वो तो चाइना से तो वो पहाड़ है ऊपर से खाना. नेपाल में 3 दिन स्ट्राइक होने से उन लोगों को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लेकिन इंडिया दार्जिलिंग में 1 दिन बंद हो गया तो वहाँ का लोग का पूरा फंस जाता है ना, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम होता है.
So we have reached Nepal. So they will check here. This is the entry point and we have checked.
Please bring his ID now.
So we have to submit the ID here also, and they will check there, and you have to submit the ID here. Welcome. So we are walking, and we have to walk at least for 2 kilometers, and you can find taxi here also. And I don't know about the taxi prices, but we are going to walk and then we'll think about the taxi. Hey, wait. Oh, the flowers are so pretty. अब हम नेपाल में हैं and the weather is so good and so peaceful, calm environment, and we are searching for some thukpa and momo to eat because we haven't eat our lunch, and then we will decide what we will do next. So we are like walking and enjoying the weather and searching for some markets where we can shop and eat also, and the weather is so good.
ভাল হৈছে না
पलट करके दे देता ना।
The momos are so tasty. It is for 50 rupees and we got 10 momos for 50 rupees. This is veg momo and this momo is so good, and the soup is also very good. Good. All finished.
तू आप तुम्हाला केलं मस्त तयार करूय
So we have reached Mirik and this is the market. So now we are going to see the Mirik Lake, and it's too sunny, and we have removed our jeans. Now we are wearing dresses because we have to click pictures, and yeah, there is it, guys.
में कितना पैसा लेता है?
में आपका पैडल वाले में 100 रुपीस
पर सीट
4 एडल्ट 80
এই পাৰ্কত সোমাবা নে?
Now we are coming this side to see the view, and वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं था, and there is so sunny, so you can also ride horse here.
ঠিক মাৰে
Hi guys, so I don't have charge in my phone, so this is my last clip of this entire trip. We have our train at 6:30, so we are going there right now. I will be continuing this vlog after I reach Guwahati. Then I will probably continue